Hi guys, this is Abdul-Khan, and this is a hospital level patients report. What is it about? It's a data set that contains ID, age, weight, cholesterol level, sodium level, male, female, smoker, non-smoker. Interest is just to find patterns or relationships, and science if you want to see how compared stuff. So let's show the data set first. Data set is right here. ID, age, weight in pounds, male, female, male is 0, female is 1. This is sodium level, cholesterol level, non-smoker, smoker 7 is non-smoker, 8 is smoker, and this is blood pressure, systolic one. Okay, let's go on to the code. We're going to run it, and as you can see, we've got the analysis. Let's go start with the sodium level. First one, let's start over here. We can put it a little over here. So 38% of the patients have high sodium level, 38% of the patients have low sodium level, and almost 25 have normal amounts. So let's go to the next one. Blood pressure. So this is the blood pressure between age and the systolic blood pressure, and this is divided into male and female. So as you guys can see, that the male is the red one and female is blue ones, and you can see that the older patients have a higher blood pressure, systolic level, and that's it. Next one, cholesterol level. Okay, you can put it over here. So you can see that cholesterol level of smokers and non-smokers. So generally the smokers have a higher cholesterol level, while the non-smokers, in comparison to them, don't have as high as them. And you can see that it gradually goes up for non-smokers, and it gradually goes up for smokers, and for non-smokers it just fluctuates depending on how they are. Okay, now we're gonna compare patients' reports. So patient A ID, let's go with 1, 50. Okay, so patient A is 1, patient B is 50. Let's go sodium. So patient A has a higher sodium level than patient B by 1. So we can do it again. So let's go 10, 40. Let's go cholesterol. You can see patient patient B has a higher cholesterol level than patient A by 5. Okay, let's speed this up. We'll go with 20 and 30 this time. Let's go. Well, let's do 36, and we'll go blood pressure. And the blood pressure for patient A is higher than blood pressure for patient B by 13. And that's the end of my code. Thank you for watching.